apple orchard, and we're going to be making applesauce with all these apples, and I'm going to try one of them. That one looks pretty good. That is really good. That's really, really good. It's kind of sweet. Okay, so we're going to take these and we're going to make our Mason family applesauce. We're back, and do you want to see what 140 pounds looks like of apples? Or for me. So I'm going to be peeling the apples, but my parents did the sharp part, so I didn't get cut. Isn't that so fast? It's like a spiral. It is a spiral. Okay, I'll pull that off, and look, it's like a Swinkie. An apple Swinkie. Okay, I'm going to take a piece off. Oh my, juice got all over me. That's some good fresh apple. So, that's the first step, and it's really fun to do that. And look, we have all of that west to peel. That's going to be a long time, guys. So, the next step is to our Mason applesauce. We're going to put our apples in the grinder, and we keep it in there less because we like it chunky. If you don't like it chunky, your applesauce, you can put it in there for more, but we like it for less. So I'm going to put those in there. It's really sharp, so I have to just throw them in there, away from the sharp part. Look at all of these. This kind of looks like Swinkies just cut up or something. Take handfuls and handfuls. A big handful. Okay, so I'm going to use some YouTube magic. Okay, now we're going to blend it. That's so cool, guys. So you just have to keep doing it until your bowl's empty, and after that you put it on the stove, and then you put sugar in it. Okay, so the blending is done, and we're going to empty all of it in the pot. Thanks. That's so much apple. It looks so good. So if you don't want it chunky, you don't have to. You just have to put it in the blender longer. But we like it chunky because we just like it chunky. It's pretty good. That's so much apple in there. I'm surprised how much apple we got at the apple orchard. It was so fun picking it. And that apple I ate on that video, oh, it was so delicious. So much. I can barely get it out. Use my muscles, use that muscles. The next step is to put in honey, cinnamon, water, and sugar. So let's start doing it. This is gonna be so yummy. Look at that. That looks so good. Uh-oh. That's okay. Smells so good. I do not like honey, but I do like our applesauce. so much. Okay. That's a lot of honey. I do not like the smell either. There. And, okay, my next step is to stow it. And after that, I'm going to put it in the stove. I mean, my parents are, because it's not safe. Because I could get burned. But look at all of that stuff in there. Look at the cinnamon. It's taking over. Like, you can't even see anything. You want to crush the bits, too. They're like big chunks. You don't want that. Oh, cinnamon. You want little chunks of cinnamon. Not even chunks. Just kidding. So, it looks so good. Oh, it smells like a cinnamon. Cinnamon is a strong scent. It really is. Okay, I think this is enough. So, we're going to use some YouTube magic. And we're going to make some applesauce. Okay, this is the last step. But before we move on to that, so my mom and dad put these in warm water, or probably hot, and they sanitized them so there's no germs on it. And they got the lids ready for me, and then the applesauce got cooked. So let's close the jar. Have to let it drain a little bit. Okay. I wish I could eat it. Look how juicy that is. Do you hear that? That sounds gross. Doesn't that sound like slime, liquid slime or something? It looks so yummy, and it smells just like cinnamon. The cinnamon totally took it over. Like, it should be called cinnamon because, like, it's cinnamon pretty much. It has so much cinnamon. I think that might be enough. Let's take the lid off. Okay, let's put it right there. Then let's move the jar. Then let's put the lid on. And then I really want to try it. We aren't trying to hot, but we put some in the freezer so I could try some. That is so, so good. So I would recommend it. And my mom, you can pick them by yourself. You can pick these and go here, and you can make applesauce, but you can also make other stuff. So this filling for Pop-Tarts, we're gonna make that tomorrow for breakfast, and that sounds really yummy. And you can make apple bread, and you can also make dehydrated apples, like I showed on my dehydrated video. And I think you should really go here. Hope you have a good time anytime. Watch the show. Bye. Hope you have a good time anytime. Watch the show. Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you, Westbound Sounds, for the music.